Oh, what's up mga swaki? So karon mga swaki na napoy gipahagayon ang pangantukan nga Mount Kalatungan Trail Ultra. So mag-interview na taron. So third year na taron. So 2020 pandemic dayon karon da atong naging last year dayon. Naging last year is 2024 interview ya punta. So karon 2025 na napoy gipahagayon ang MKTU Mount Kalatungan Trail Ultra and kuan moto. Paghulat na tag mga trail runners. Let's go. Time check is 6:47, so wala pag-runner, no? Stupid! Yeah, sila musakay ka na dia. Oh, layo pa kayo sila. Oh, turao, pat kaboko. First runner, mark 17K ni. So, welcome to Pangantukan, sir. Say to my vlog. Pila ka kay gidagan, sir?
17.
So, first to arrive, 17, no? Dola kayo. Pang! 17K, ha? Una nilabas, alas City 19. Power kayo. Pangantukan represent. Pang. So mga 17K runners, no? So mga silang mga second or third. Congratulations! Welcome to Pangantukan. Oh, welcome to Pangantukan mga sir. Say to my vlog. Congratulations. Congratulations. Thank you. Balik. Stupid. Say to my vlog. So pila ka kay gidagan, sir? 17. So power kay sir, no? Nasa sa mga top 10 siguro gyapon. Welcome to Pangantukan, sir. Welcome to Pangantukan. So dili pagig kita ka interview sa mga karon, no, mga kuan pagid ba, mga podium kay paspas mo kay sila. Welcome to Pangantukan, ma'am. So pila ka kay gidagan, ma'am? Ilang kay? Congrats, ma'am. Lakas mo. Welcome to Pangantukan, ma'am. Murag nakuan ko sa Tagalog bay, nipilipit akong baba-bay. Nagnabaguhan ba ko ba? Dapat ako pa exercise akong baba-bay. Exercise akong baba kanang donasyon, bro. Dapat opo, pa, tsaka at napilipit akong baba to bay. So moto siya ang first runner nga babae nga akong na-encounter, no? Grabe, pawira to nga babae, oy. Grabe siya bay. Na siya girl power. Welcome to Pangantukan, sir. Say hi to my vlog. So ilang kay ka, sir? Thank you, sir. Billiards, 10 balls. So, pila ka kay gidagan, sir? 32? Pang, murag ikaw ang first sa 32, sir. Uno. Home the crowd. Naday si Kuya Hart tayo, Kuya Hart. Hala, ang pambato ng Pangantukan, bay. So, welcome to Pangantukan, sir. First time, diri, sir? First time, sir. Salamat kayo sa pag-ani, sir.
Yeah, let's go.
Congrats, sir. Power kay sir, bay.
Power, mga Pangantukan runners.
Thank you kay sir. Salamat sa pagbisita sa Pangantukan, sir.
Oh, just follow BG Vlogs.
Ayan, akuan. Sitoy Vlogs. Follow niyo, guys. Congrats, sir.
Yes, sir.
Power kay si sir, bay. Usa ka teacher pero ni kuan bagid sa trail running, no, ni Inter. Welcome to Pangantukan, ma'am. Say hi to my vlog. So, what can you say about the place, ma'am? Beautiful. Wow. Thank you, ma'am. Congrats. Finish strong.
Finish strong, ma'am.
Thank you. Oh my God, it's very... My English is not spoken. Welcome to Pangantukan, sir. Say hi to my vlog. So, pila ka kay gidagan, sir? 32. Murag nasa top 2, top 3.
Saan pag yun?
Partida. Tagagikan, sir. Muswan sa MU, Central Mindanao University. Nara sa Tungas, Mindanao. May problema. Welcome to Pangantukan, sir. Say hi to my vlog. So what can you say about the place, sir? Okay kayo. Thank you, sir. Balik. Welcome to Pangantukan, sir. Say hi to my vlog. So pila ka kay gidagan, sir? 17. What can you say about the place, sir?
Biti kayo.
Congratulations, ma'am. Balik, ma'am. Doon lang kayo, ma'am. Happy sa Philippines, ma'am. Pwede magpukari. Pukari, finalista. So welcome to Pangantukan, sir. Say hi to my vlog. So ilang K yung tinakbo mo, sir?
Ha?
Ilang K?
17K.
17K. Congratulations, sir. You deserve it.
Thank you.
You deserve it. Welcome to Pangantukan, sir. Say hi to my vlog. 17K, sir. Saan galing, sir? Cagayan de Oro. May si Sir Day.
City of Golden Friendship.
Friends ata, sir? Friends namin ni sir. Kay City of Golden Friendship gali. Welcome to Pangantukan, ma'am. Say hi to my vlog. So, what can you say about the place, ma'am? So nice. Balik, ma'am. Challenging, ma'am. Yeah. You deserve it, ma'am. Congratulations. See you soon. Oh, we have another runner. So pila ka kay gidagan, sir? 17. Power kay bay. We have another runner. So pila ka kay, sir? Tagatuara na. Pila ka kay gidagan, sir? 17. Power kay bay. Congratulations. So, welcome to Pangantukan, sir. Sa ito may vlog. Pila ka kay, sir? 32. Pag-apil si sir sa top 5 bay. Power kayo. Sir, sa ito may vlog. Pila ka kay, sir? 17. Power kay si sir bay. Welcome to Pangantukan. Sa'yo makaingon ni mas Pangantukan, sir. Welcome to Pangantukan, sir. Sa ito may vlog. What can you say about Pangantukan, sir? Goods daw, goods. Hello, sir. Good morning. Kumusta, sir? Okay lang. Welcome to Pangantukan, sir. Balik-balik. We have another lady runner, no? So, welcome to Pangantukan, ma'am. Say hi to my vlog. So, pila ka kay gidagan, ma'am? So, by the way, ma'am, I'm BJ Filongco, ma'am. Nice to meet you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Balik-balik sa Pangantukan, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Congrats daan, ma'am. Pangantukan, sir. Say hi to my vlog. So, pila ka kay gidagan, sir? 17. So, congratulations, sir. What can you say about Pangantukan, sir?
Hapdos.
Hapdos. Pero, tsada, sir. Wow. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Congrats daan, sir. Okay, sir. 32. Power kay sir. What can you say about Pangantukan, sir?
So hard.
So hard.
Not easy.
Not easy. So, congrats, sir. Dola lang, sir. Mahal kita, Pilipinas. Another lady runner, no? So, representing Pangantukan, si Ma'am Alma ni siya, guys. So, welcome to Pangantukan, ma'am. First time din, ma'am. Wow, what can you say about Pangantukan, ma'am? It's beautiful. So, marang ikatulo si ma'am nga taga Pangantukan. So, first, thank you, ma'am. Ambi, ma'am. Dola lang kita, ma'am. Basig mawala ka sa Pangantukan, ma'am. Ay, highway na din, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Si Ma'am Alma to, no, representing. So, ato magigiting naman pulis to siya. Appeal to siya. Okay. 17. So, welcome to Pangantukan, sir. Say to my vlog. What can you say about Pangantukan, sir? Nice. Beautiful. Scenery. Tagagikan, sir.
North Cotabato.
North Cotabato. Layo, sir. So, bye-bye, sir. See you next year, sir. Congrats. Cotabato, layo kayo. Sir, so welcome to Pangantukan, sir. Pila ka kay gidagan, sir? 17. Power kasi, sir. Sobra na, sir?
Oh!
Na.
Happy tayo mag-20.
So, congrats, sir. Agikan nga lugar, sir.
Sa?
Nga lugar. Malay-balay. So, Bukidnon nagyapon, sir. So, congrats, sir. Balik-balik ta, Pangantukan, sir. So, welcome to Pangantukan, ma'am. Say to my vlog. So, pila ka kay, ma'am? 17. So, what can you say about Pangantukan, ma'am? Okay lang. By the way, ma'am, I am BJ Filongco, ma'am. So, say to my vlog. So, balik-balik ta diri, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Congrats dan, ma'am. Dola lang kay, ma'am. No, sir. Welcome to my vlog. Pila ka kay gidagan, sir? 17. So, tagahagikan, sir. Valencia, Bukidnon. So, medyo dol-dolas na Bukidnon. Natay Cotabato. Dol-dola lang yun. Ano tayo mga mabot na mga Manila. Gusto ko mga Manila pero gusto ko Tagalog. Ma'am, so pila ka kay gidagan na to, ma'am, sir? Marshall. Ay, Marshall. So, congratulations, sir.
Dako, nagit ka ba nga?
Salamat, sir.
2,000!
2020 o kato last year.
Oh.
Mawarag yan.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Barcam, Surigao, Barcam, Philippines.
Welcome. So,
Celebrity.
Marshall, lugar mo, ma'am, sir. Wala mo dagan. Congrats, Gapon. Congrats, Gapon. Salamat sa sir, pag-notice. Thank you kayo, sir. Na-notice na di, sir, no? Dako na daw kay ko. Ito my vlog. So, pila kay gidagan, sir? 17. Malay-balay. So, medyo...
Taga-diri ako pero nami-bless kagiyan.
Ay, thank you, sir.
Shoutout kong lola, nasa staff house.
Uy, taga-diri na si Zero.
Shoutout po sa pamilya De Leon.
Congrats, sir. Congrats, sir. Amping, dola lang kayo. Pang, taga-Pangantukan na itong isa. Naslay taga-staff house o mga De Leon nilang mga kaila. Pila ka kay gidagan, sir? Pila niyo? 90,000. Pila ka kay gidagan, sir? 32. Patay, murag dagan na, murag mga 5 ka 32 na. So, taga nga lugar gikan, sir? Malay-balay. So, Bukidnon, nagyapon si sir, no? Shoutout. Timpak daw, Timpak. Congratulations, sir. Dola lang kay sir. Pang, team, Malay-balay, Timpak. 32 kilometers. Let's go. Welcome to Pangantukan, sir. Say to my vlog. So, pila ka kay gidagan, sir? 17. Tagagikan, sir, nga lugar? Malay-balay, Bukidnon. So, Bukidnon, nagyapon. What can you say about Pangantukan, sir? Nindot kayo. Balik-balik, sir. Congrats, sir. So, pila ka kay gidagan, sir? 32. Pawira kayo, sir. Nga lugar gikan, sir? Malay-balay. So, welcome to Pangantukan. What can you say about the place, sir?
Gabi ka sakit.
Gabi ka sakit. Pero ang mga scenery, sir, good, sir. Kapo kayo. Agi ka great. O kita, sir. Barcam.
Kangayan.
Salamat, sir. Balik-balik, sir. Thank you. Pila ka kay gidagan, sir? 85? Ang kilo? Po tayo representing Pangantukan, no? Mr. De Leon. Sir, first time din sa Pangantukan, sir? What can you say about the place, sir?
It's so cold.
So cold. So, bantay din, sir. Kasi mawala ka. First time naman ka din, sir. Sir, amping, sir, congratulations. Pila ka kay gidaganan, sir? 17. Pila ka kay, sir? 32. So welcome to mga tukan, sir. What can you say about the place, sir? What unsay maingon nimo lugar, sir? Pindot kayo. Taaha nga lugar gikan, sir. Malita, layua kaayoy. Congrats, sir. Salamat sa pagkani, sir. Thank you. Welcome to Pangantukan, sir. Dahil ito, pila ka kay gidagan, sir? 17. Si sir po, 17. So what can you say about the place, sir?
Very hard, sakit kayo.
Sakit kayo. So,
From Aglayan.
Aglayan. So, salamat sa pagkani, sir. Balik-balik po, sir. Congrats. From Aglayan, Bukidnon. Ito may vlog ko nga, sir. So, what can you say about the Pangantukan, sir? Gabi kainit. Pero, nga lugar kikan, sir? Kabadbaran. Layua pa kayo la, sir. Iko. BJ Pilongko, sir. Salamat, sir. So, kabadbaran pa sila, sir. No, amot, nakabadbaran. Murag agusan, tingali na. Pero, power ka sila, sir. Congrats, sir. Welcome to Pangantukan, ma'am. Say hi to my vlog. So, what can you say about the place, ma'am?
Wow, amazing.
Amazing.
First time ko dito sa...
Saan ka po galing, ma'am?
Zamboanga City.
Zamboanga lang. Layo mo pala, ma'am.
Yes.
Congrats, ma'am.
Marami kami.
Congrats, ma'am. See you soon, ma'am.
Thank you.
So, napos sila, sir, no? What can you say about the place, sir?
Perfect.
Perfect. Thank you kayo, sir. Salamat kayo. Sir, pila ka kay? 17. Ang lugar kikan, sir? Cagayan de Oro. Sir, pila ka kay? 17. Power ka pong kayo, sir, bay. What a nice. Nagdagan ng bibi na. Welcome to Pangantukan, ma'am. Say hi to my vlog, ma'am. So, pila ka kay gidagan, ma'am? 17. So, ang lugar gikan, ma'am? Balay. Thank you, ma'am. Amping, ma'am. Doon lang kita, ma'am. Pugo ka, ma'am. Doon lang kita. Amping, ma'am. So, from Balay City si ma'am. Kay gidagan, sir? 32. So, ang lugar gikan, sir? Valencia. So, what can you say about Pangantukan, sir? Nice kayo. Salamat, sir. From Valencia, Bukidnon, 32 kilometer. So, we have another lady runner, no? So, welcome to Pangantukan, ma'am. Say hi to my vlog. So, ang lugar gikan, ma'am?
Sa Iligan City.
Iligan City, layuwa ni ma'am, no? Welcome to Pangantukan, ma'am. By the way, ma'am, my name is BJ Pilongko, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Amping, ma'am. 17K. Doon lang kayo, ma'am. Mga 1 kilometer na lang, ma'am. Amping. Tapos another runner, no? Sila, sir, og ma'am. So, by pair, gini sila nga mag-ano. So, welcome to Pangantukan, ma'am and sir. Say to my vlog. So, what can you say about the place, sir? Dada.
Nice.
So, nice. So, ang lugar gikan ta, ma'am and sir?
Naawan.
Naawan, miss, or layua din, no? Oh, shout out, sir.
Shout out ko ni
Interfin Club. Then, ano sa pa, sir?
Shout out ko ni Doy o ni Ram.
So, amping mo, ma'am. Amping, sir. Doon lang kayo, sir. 1 kilometer lang, sir. Amping kanunay. By pair sila, no? So, di na lang kita mo daganan, kay by pair man day. Welcome to Pangantukan, sir. Say to my vlog. So, ang lugar tagikan, sir? Where you from, sir? Valencia. So, dol lang ito, sir, no? Bukidnon. So, sa'yo mo makaingon sa Pangantukan, sir? Nindot. First time rin, sir. So, karon po ganay. Last year, waka kapil, sir. So, first time ni sir doon. Gwapo ang mga ruan, sir. Mga scenery. Ang lake, sir. Agi ka sa lake. Gwapo, sir.
17 namin.
17 mga kagis. So, di naman sa kwan, sir. Bar camp. Gwapo ang view, sir. So, salamat kayo, sir. Balik-balik, sir.
Fights.
Thank you, sir. Amping. So, Valencia City si sir. Power kayo, 17K. BJ Filongko, sir. BJ Filongko. Thank you, sir. Amping. So, we have another runner, no? So, nag-run yun sila, no? So, welcome to Pangantukan, ma'am and sir. Dahil to my vlog. So, pila ka kay gidagan? 32. Wow, amazing. Ang lugar gikan ta, ma'am and sir? Iligan. Perting layuwa. Davao si sir, Iligan si ma'am. Mindanao ra gyapon, representing Mindanao. Thank you sa inyo mga pangani. Salamat kayo, dalay ko ng Diyos. Welcome to Pangantukan, ma'am and sir. Say to my vlog. So, welcome to Pangantukan. What can you say about the place, ma'am and sir? Speechless. Yes. So, atagikan nga lugar, ma'am and sir? Iligan. So, Iligan po ka, ma'am. So, di na kita madagan na kay by pair naman din. So, congrats, ma'am. Dola lang kayo. Thank you. Tulo ka runner, naguban. So, welcome to Pangantukan, ma'am and sir. So, say hi to my vlog. So, pila ka kay? 17. So, what can you say about the place?
Good, nice.
Atagi ka ng lugar, ma'am and sir?
Yaya, Carlos.
Don Carlos. So, medyo dol-dol lang sila. Pwede na o kalagutay, no? Dol lang kayo. So, say hi to my vlog, sir. Sir, what can you say about the place, sir? Maganda. Saan ka galing, sir? Cotabato City, sir. Nice to meet you, sir. Balik-balik, sir. Thank you, sir. Congrats. Okay, thank you. So, nanapod tayo another Sana All Runners. So, maglisod yung tagrana ni. Kay magunit man na yung tagkamutan ni. So, welcome to Pangantukan, ma'am and sir. Say hi to my vlog. So, what can you say about the place?
Grabe, patag kayo.
So, ata nga lugar gikan, sir. Zamboanga, layuak inyo, sir. Inyo yung ibisita din, sir, ba? Salamat, sir. Congrats. So, si ma'am. So, we have a lady runner. So, welcome to Pangantukan, ma'am. Say hi to my vlog. So, where you from, ma'am? Where you from? Davao. So, ma'am, nakoy question lang, ma'am, makajot. Unsay may kapoy, ma'am? Mudagan ka sa trail run has kang inita o mugukod ka sa tao nga way pakisin mo?
Ay, wala.
So, by the way, ma'am, I am BJ Filongco, ma'am. Nice to meet you. So, say hi to my vlog. Welcome to first time din sa Pangantukan, ma'am. Yes, so thank you, ma'am. Sir, Lagauno, 55. Agi ka na lugar, sir. So, sir, say hi. It's okay to film you, sir? Sir, can I ask question? Where are you from, sir? France? Wow, thank you, sir. Congratulations. Wow, amazing. 55K, nanay na una, 55K. Sabi ka power ba? Sa pay oras. 9:29. 55K, nanay ni down. Wow. Ito my vlog. So where you from, sir?
From Davao.
Davao. So, sir, pila ka kay? 17.
17.
What can you say about the place, sir?
Nice.
First time diri, sir?
Hindi.
Last year?
Parents ko ay from Cotabato, Northcote, so malapit na.
Malapit na. Thank you, sir. God bless. Congratulations. Welcome to Pangantukan, sir. Say hi to my vlog. So, pila ka kay gidagan, sir?
Tagalog.
Ay, Tagalog. Ilang K yung tinakbo mo, sir?
Okay, ano lang, 17
17. So, congratulations. What can you say about the place?
Very good.
Very good. So, saan kayo galing, sir, na lugar?
Davao.
Davao. Okay, sir. Malayo. Congrats, sir.
Salamat.
So, we have another lady runner. So, diligin na to basta malito nung babae, no? So, welcome to Pangantukan, ma'am. Say hi to my vlog. So, where you from, ma'am? Davao. So, what can you say about the place, ma'am? So, by the way, ma'am, I'm BJ Filongco, ma'am, from Pangantukan. So, thank you, ma'am. Balik-balik. Congratulations. So, ma'am, where are you from, ma'am?
Malay pala.
So, what can you say about Pangantukan, ma'am?
Loading.
Loading. Okay lang, ma'am. It's speechless. Normal naman, ma'am. Speechless.
Wala ko nasulti sa Pangantukan.
Sada, ma'am. First time, ma'am. First time.
No, it's not my first time.
Nato 2024 nga trailer, makapil ka?
Dili, first time
Ah,
na
pero
ako
sa trail run?
Pangantukan, but first time na ako mag-trail sa
Okay.
Pangantukan. Ang trail kay okay lang, goods
Okay.
kayo.
Ang mga view, ma'am, okay na?
Okay, nice kayong view dito sa taas.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ato mo guys.
Balik-balik, ma'am. Thank you. Congratulations. We have also have another runner up. Where are you from, ma'am? Bukidnon na si ma'am. Where specifically, ma'am? Sa Bukidnon? Maramag. So, doon lang kayo si ma'am. So, what can you say about the place, ma'am? Pangantukan? Good. So, balik-balik, ma'am. Thank you. So, we have another runner na po doon si ma'am. So, say hi to my vlog, ma'am. Sir, where are you from, ma'am?
San Fernando.
San Fernando. Bukidnon na si ma'am. So, sa'yo maingon sa Pangantukan, ma'am? Guwapo kayo, ma'am. Salamat, ma'am. God bless. 32. Say hi to my vlog, sir. So, ang lugar gikan to, sir. Where you from? Maramag. Thank you, sir. Sir, say hi to my vlog. Ata, gikan ng lugar, sir. Malay-balay. Si ma'am po. Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations and God bless. Doon na lang kayo, ma'am. So, say hi to my vlog, ma'am. So, where you from, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm from Central Mindanao University.
So, say MU na si ma'am. So, ma'am, what can you say about Pangantukan?
Yeah, very nice place.
First time din, ma'am.
Of course not.
Sa trail run, ma'am. First time. Yes. Thank you, ma'am. God bless, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. God bless. Doon lang kita, ma'am. So, welcome to Pangantukan, ma'am. Say hi to my vlog. So, ma'am, what can you say about the place, ma'am? 17K. So, what can you say? What can you say about the place? Speechless?
Okay, very stiff.
Steve, Dayan. The view, ma'am. Okay na tong view, ma'am.
It's very nice.
Very nice. So, where are you from, ma'am?
Cebu.
Cebu lang. Ang layo. Did you ride the Trans-Asia?
Hukalyong.
Kokalyong. So, sila si ma'am po, Cebu. Kauban na ma'am, teammate na ma'am.
White of Kuan.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Balik-balik din sa Bukidnon. What can you say about the place, ma'am? Nice. Where are you from, ma'am?
Davao.
Davao. So, thank you, ma'am. God bless. Ma'am, where are you from, ma'am?
Cebu.
Cebu. So, kauban na gid mo itong una, ma'am. So, ma'am, what can you say about the place? Super nice.
Nag-expect na humog yun.
Thank you, ma'am. Balik-balik. Thank you. Welcome to Pangantukan, sir. Say hi to my vlog. So, sir, where are you from, sir? Davao. So, 32 kilometers. Sir, what can you say about the place, sir? Nice. Thank you, sir. God bless and congratulations. Welcome to Pangantukan, sir. Say hi to my vlog, sir. Where are you from, sir? Balay. Where are you from, ma'am? Sa Buanga si ma'am. Pila ka kay, ma'am? 32. No? So, representing Pangantukan ni sila, bay. So, welcome to Pangantukan, sir. First time Pangantukan, sir? First time. What can you say about Pangantukan, sir?
Pantukan is really
What about
secret.
Santo Niño, sir? Santo Niño.
Ninyo Village.
Amping, sir. Doon lang kayo, sir. Doon lang kayo, sir. So we have another Sir Darrell. So we have another runner, no? Sir, where are you from, sir? CDO. So, sir, what can you say about Pangantukan, sir?
Bunot kani-kanal, gwapo inyo kan. Balik-balik na po.
Salamat, sir. See you soon, sir. God bless. Congrats. Welcome to Pangantukan, ma'am and sir. Say hi to my vlog. So, pila ka kikidagan na to, ma'am and sir? 17. So, where are you from, ma'am? Santa Cruz. So, what can you say about the place, ma'am?
Nindot ka siya guys, runnable, pero gibitugan lang.
So, congratulations, ma'am and sir. Salamat and God bless sa inyo. Congrats. So, welcome to Pangantukan, ma'am and sir. Say hi to my vlog. So, where are you from, sir? Iligan. So, medyo lalayo good sila, ma'am and sir. No? Nidayo rin sa Pangantukan para makita ko. Ay, sorry, ma'am. Congratulations and God bless. Thank you. Ito, Pangantukan, sir. Say hi to my vlog. So, murag ikaw, second sa 55, sir. Wow, congratulations, sir. God bless. Second si Sir Bay, 55. Welcome to Pangantukan, ma'am and sir. Say hi to my vlog. So, where are you from, sir? Nabunturan. What can you say about the place, sir?
Okay kayo.
You, ma'am, what can you say about the place? Speechless. Thank you, ma'am. Balik-balik, ma'am. God bless and congrats. Po tayo Pangantukan, no? Pangantukan represent. So, welcome to Pangantukan, sir. First time Pangantukan, sir? First time? Mawala ka rin, sir. Banda, sir. Hey, Boss Harvey Gascon, representing Pangantukan. Welcome to Pangantukan, ma'am. Say hi to my vlog. So, where are you from, ma'am? Balay-Balay. So, congratulations, ma'am, and God bless. Where are you from, ma'am? Balay-Balay. Welcome to Pangantukan, ma'am. First time here, ma'am? Not so. Okay, thank you, ma'am. God bless. Another runner here. Ma'am, say hi to my vlog. Where are you from, ma'am? Balay-Balay also. So, ma'am, by the way, ma'am, BJ lang ka, ma'am. So, ma'am, kaning pila ka kayong gidagan? 32. Wow. Girl power. Power pop girls. Thank you, ma'am. Welcome to Pangantukan, sir. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi. Shout out.
Sir, what can you say about the place, sir?
Nice kay Pangantukan bay. The best.
First time, sir.
First time.
So, thank you, sir, and visit sunod, sir.
Salamat
Pila
sa-
ka, 17K.
Salamat sa nindot nga panahon.
Salamat, sir.
Shout out ko.
Night hike. So, thank you, sir. God bless. So, welcome to Pangantukan, ma'am and sir. Ma'am, sir. So, welcome. What can you say about the place? First time here?
Beautiful. First time,
here?
first time.
Where are you from, ma'am?
Surigao,
Surigao. Surigao. So, shout out sa inyo, ma'am.
Hi! Grabe ka lami.
Congratulations.
out,
PTR Cotabato. Layuag yapon. Surigao, Cotabato, Mindanao. Gilibot na niyo, ma'am. Thank you. Congratulations and God bless. To my vlog. So, where are you from, ma'am? Valencia. What about the place, ma'am? What can you say about the place? Nindot. Thank you, ma'am. God bless and congratulations. Na sir po dito. Na sir. Sir, say hi, sir. Wow, na sila, sir. Power kayo yapon. Sir, sir, where are you from, sir? Malay-balay. First time dito, sir?
First time.
So, thank you, sir. What can you say about the place, sir? Thank you, sir. Salamat, nindot kayo Pangantukan, eh. Dili na basta-basta sa ka. Welcome to Pangantukan. Kapila ka kayo, sir? 32. Where are you from, sir?
Balay-balay.
Malay-balay. So, what can you say about the place, sir?
Gwapo siya.
Apo siya. And first time to, sir?
First time.
So, balik po dito sunod, sir.
Pohon.
Po, sir. So, congratulations, sir. God
Thank you,
bless.
sir.
Dola lang kayo. Thank you. Lady runners nga mga maanyag kaayo sa katanang kalibutan. So, welcome to Pangantukan, ma'am. Say hi to my vlog. So, where you from, ma'am? Quezon Dollar. So, what can you say about the place, ma'am? Very nice. So, congratulations, ma'am, and God bless, ma'am. Amping sa kanunay. Proudly represent Pangantukan. Sir, first time Pangantukan, sir? So, congratulations, Brian Riquias. So, yung represent ang Pangantukan. No? So, daghan na yun sila ka-finish, taga-Pangantukan. So, welcome to Pangantukan, ma'am. Say hi to my vlog. So, where are you from, ma'am? Bukidnon. So, what can you say about Pangantukan, ma'am? Chada siya. So, God bless, ma'am, and amping, ma'am. Thank you. Sa Bukidnon rin si ma'am, no? Where are you from, sir? Cotabato City. Sir, what can you say about the place, sir? Maganda. So, God bless, sir. God bless. Thank you, sir. And dola lang kayo, sir. Malapit na. Say hi to my vlog, ma'am. Where are you from, ma'am? Cagayan. So, what can you say about the place, ma'am? Amazing. Wow, speechless. Thank you, ma'am. Welcome to Pangantukan, ma'am. Say hi to my vlog. So where you from, ma'am? Davao City. So what can you say about Pangantukan, ma'am?
Okay lang.
Okay lang. So thank you, ma'am. God bless. So we have another runner na po, no, si ma'am. So where you from, ma'am? Maramag. First time sa Pangantukan, ma'am? Dili kay Pangantukan doon. First time.
Sa Pangantukan.
Wow, amazing, ma'am. God bless you, ma'am, and congratulations. Amin ako gan. Di siya lagan. Where are you from, sir? Davao. So what can you say about the place, sir?
It's more fun here.
Wow, thank you, sir. God bless, and balik-balik po, sir. Congratulations. My vlog. Sir, where are you from, sir? Cotabato, sir. Congratulations, sir. What can you say about the place, sir? Thank you, sir. God bless. So we have another runner na po, no? Si ma'am. Ma'am, where are you from, ma'am? Cebu. Ma'am, what can you say about the place, ma'am? Very nice. And first time dire, ma'am. So by the way, ma'am, my name is Belly Chelsea Filong, ma'am. So and dola lang kay ma'am, and God bless kayo, ma'am. Salamat sa visit, ma'am. Layo pa jud mo, ma'am. Amping, ma'am. God bless. Congratulations. Welcome to Pangantukan, ma'am. Say hi to my vlog. So where are you from, ma'am? Davao. So layo kayo. So ma'am, what can you say about the place, ma'am? Nice. Thank you, ma'am. God bless. And amping, ma'am. Congratulations. Welcome to Pangantukan, ma'am. Say hi to my vlog. So where are you from, ma'am?
Malita, Davao.
Malita. So what can you say about the place, ma'am?
Indon.
Indon. So thank you, ma'am. God bless. Welcome to Pangantukan. Say hi to my vlog, sir. Where are you from, sir?
Kamigin.
Kamigin. Layuan yung sir.
Ito yapon to last year.
Ay, nakainom-nom si sir. Sir. Doon nga mo, sir. So salamat, sir. Pag-notice, sir. Thank you. God bless. Thank you, sir. Notice ko ni sir, oh. Welcome to Pangantukan, ma'am. Say hi to my vlog. So where are you from, ma'am? Davao. Si sir. Davao ka ba, sir?
Malita na.
May Malita. Ikaw, sir. So, congratulations sa inyo, sir. What can you say about the place, sir? Okay. So, nice daw kayo ang Pangantukan, no? So, nabuti another runner, si ma'am. So, welcome to Pangantukan, ma'am. What can you say about the place, ma'am?
Okay kayo.
Okay kayo.
Okay ang trail.
Where you from, ma'am?
Davao.
Davao, gyapon sila, ma'am. May daghanan na itong Davao runners, eh. Sana sila ba ng dayo, yun? So, ma'am, welcome to Pangantukan, ma'am. Say hi to my vlog. So, where you from, ma'am?
From Malita, Davao Occidental.
Ma'am, what can you say about the place? Sana, ma'am.
Grabe. Grabe ka, Lisa.
First time, di, ma'am. First time.
First time na mo.
So, makabalik pa dyan kasunod, ma'am.
On.
Thank you, ma'am. God bless. So, welcome to Pangantukan, ma'am, sir. Say hi to my vlog. So, where are you from, ma'am? Malita, dagana na kinatog taga Malita, Davao. Uy! Pangsulod na. Di na mo masigog Malita, ma'am, sa kadagan ninyo. Welcome to Pangantukan, sir. Say hi to my vlog. So, where are you from, sir? Davao. What can you say about this place, sir?
Nice scenery.
Nice. Thank you, sir. God bless. Balik-balik, sir. Davao. So, what can you say about the place, sir? Nindot, sir. Speechless. Speechless. I say hi to my vlog, ma'am. Where are you from, ma'am? Cotabato. What can you say about the place, ma'am? Amazing. Say hi to my vlog, ma'am. What can you say about the place, ma'am? Speechless. Speechless sila, ma'am. Nice. Come to Pangantukan, ma'am. Say hi to my vlog. So, where are you from, ma'am? Malita. Daghanan na kayo Malita, ma'am. Di na mo masigo sa Malita tanan, ma'am. What can you say about the place, ma'am? Speechless. 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 No, normal na naman. Basta tsada nga yung view. Speechless yan. Thank you, ma'am. Come to Pangantukan, sir. Say hi to my vlog. Where you from, sir? Pila ka kay, sir?
55.
Hala ka, murag top 4, top 3. Narana. Power kayo, 55. Pangantukan, ma'am. Say hi to my vlog. So, where you from, ma'am? Illegal. First time, dre, ma'am. What can you say about the place, ma'am?
Nice.
Nice.
Kitang dagang kay road.
Thank you, ma'am. God bless. Congratulations. Murag pamilyar kay si Sir, bay. Murag sige na nag-appeal, bay. Sir, welcome to Pangantukan, sir. Pila ka kay, sir? Lah, pamilyar kay, sir. Ikaw to champion na, sir, oh. Pang! 5-5 na gidagana ni Sir, oh. So, 5-5 na sa mga top 6. So, mo to champion sa una last year sa 85. Pangantukan, sir. Say hi to my vlog. So, where you from, sir? Kadingilan. So, doldo na si sir. So, usay maingon yung mas Pangantukan, sir.
Good. Di mo man eh.
Salamat, sir. God bless. Where you from, sir? Davao. So, what can you say about the place, sir?
Init.
Init. So, God bless, sir.
Okay lang.
Congratulations. Thank you. So, welcome to Pangantukan, ma'am and sir. Say hi to my vlog. So, where you from, sir? Cotabato. What can you say about the place, sir?
Okay na.
Okay. First time dito, sir. First time.
Second time.
Second time. Thank you, sir. God bless. Thank you, ma'am. Welcome to Pangantukan, sir. So, say ito, pila ka kay, sir? Pang, power kay Sir Bay, 55. Murag nasa top 10 yun. Sulod, 32. Kaya ito ba sir? Where are you from, sir? So, salamat sa pagkani, sir. Thank you. Welcome to Pangantukan, sir. Say hi to my vlog. So, where are you from, sir? Lantapan. So, pila ka kayo dagan, sir? 32. Pang, what can you say about the place, sir? Pang, salamat, sir. Nindot daw ngayon ito. Init nga nindot. Say hi to my vlog. So, pila ka kayo dagan, sir? 32. Where are you from, sir?
Abo, sir.
What can you say about the place, sir?
Good.
Good. So, salamat kayo, sir. Good daw kayo tong place. Ito, Pangantukan, sir. Say hi to my vlog. Where are you from, sir?
Ha?
Where are you from? What can you say about the place?
Katabato sila, katabato.
Katabato.
Diloy, Manolo rami.
Manolo. Pama, sir. The view is the wonderful.
Yeah. What is the...
Ay, dapat another Pangantukan runner. Kaluno, no? Representing Pangantukan. Basta, mawala ka niya. Ma'am, kumusta naman ta, ma'am? What can you say about the place?
Ay, nindot.
Nindot. Amazing. Balik-balik, ma'am. Taga ka, ma'am? Digos. So, where are you from, ma'am? Balay-balay sa Dodora. What can you say about Pangantukan, ma'am? Nice. Amazing.
Nice
place.
Yes. Speechless?
Tayo.
Thank you, ma'am. God bless. Ano Pangantukan, sir? Say hi to my vlog. So, pila ka kikidagan, sir? 32. What can you say about the place, sir?
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Where are you from, sir? Davao. So, what can you say about the place, sir? Init siya daw. Digit ma, ano yun? Init yun siya. So, welcome to Pangantukan, sir. Say hi to my vlog. Where are you from, sir? Panabo. What can you say about Pangantukan, sir?
Lingaw kayo, sir. Gwapo kayo.
Lingaw kayo. Balik.
Salamat, gwapo kayo na event. Puro daghan kay pagkaon.
Balik sunod, sir. 2026. What can you say about the place, sir? Init kayo.
1 kilometer more.
1 kilometer na lang, sir. What can you say about the place, sir? Tsadang ruta. First time, sir? First time? Where you from, sir? Malay-balay. Doon ra, Bukidnon ra. Ato ni. Dito, so welcome to Pangantukan, sir. Say hi to my vlog. What can you say about the place, sir? Sakit kaya mong ruta. So, we have another runners representing Pangantukan, no? First time is Pangantukan, sir? Yes, sir. What can you say about the place, sir? Super beautiful. Amping sa kanunay.
Go back to Pangantukan.
Amping sa kanunay. Ma'am, what can you say about the place, ma'am? Ma'am, by the way, ma'am, my name is BG Tulongo, ma'am. Nice to meet you. Thank you. God bless. So, welcome to Pangantukan, sir. 32 kilometers. So, what can you say about the place, sir?
Nindot, pero astang pitias.
So, salamat kayo, sir. God bless, sir. Doon lang kayo, sir. 1 kilometer na lang. Ma'am, 32. My God, it's very hard. Ma'am, where are you from, ma'am? Valencia lang. So, ma'am, what can you say about the place?
Sakit kayo.
Thank you, ma'am. Amping sa kuan, ma'am. Doon lang kayo, ma'am. 1 kilometer. Pwede pa ka mapit sa Binilibin, ma'am. Welcome to Pangantukan, sir. Say hi to my vlog. Where are you from, sir? Maramag. Kung tayo maingon yung Pangantukan, sir?
Kayo.
Salamat sa pagkani, sir. Thank you. Nanapon tayo, representative sa Pangantukan, no? Busing, boss. Ayan. So, first time, Pangantukan, boss? First time, pati mawala ka niya.
BJ, Bilonggo.
Dagan na kayong representative Pangantukan, may. Nag-finish na sila. Sila B-boy na lang wala. Oh, welcome to Pangantukan, sir. Say hi to my vlog. So, where are you from, sir? Cagayan de Oro. Sir, what can you say about the place?
Very nice.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. God bless. Congratulations, sir. Dola lang. So, welcome to Pangantukan, mga sir. Say hi to my vlog. So, where are you from, sir? Davao. So, what can you say about the place, sir? Nice kayo. Piti.
Kami balik-balik.
Balik sunod, sir. 2026, sir.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Where are you from, sir?
Davao.
Davao, sir. Congrats, sir. What can you say about the place?
Very thrilling.
Trailing daw, trailing. Trail run yan eh. Trail run. Sir, welcome to Pangantukan. Say hi to my vlog. What can you say about the place, sir?
Okay kayo,
Okay
sir.
kayo. First time, sir. First time.
First time mo dagan.
First time, dagan.
Okay kayo, pero...
At ang lugar kikan, sir?
Balay-balay ra.
Balay. So, welcome to Pangantukan, sir.
Shout out.
Congrats, sir. Congrats.
Paglayan. Paglayan Trail Runners.
Thank you, sir. Amping, sir. Dola lang kayo, sir. 1 kilometer na lang yun. 17. Sir, where are you from, sir?
Davao City.
Davao. What can you say about the place? Ma'am, where are you from, ma'am? Davao. What can you say about the place?
Kapoy.
Kapoy.
Pernindot kayo.
Amping mama, God bless. Doon lang naman, 1 kilometer ahead. Pwede pa ka mahapit og 7-Eleven, pet kag Pukari. Kay mami go. 17. 32? Lo! 32! So where you from, sir? Where you from? Taga Davao. So what can you say about the place, sir?
Yes, it's good.
Sir, good afternoon. Where you from, sir? Good morning, bro. Davao, sir. What can you say about the place, sir? Piti. We have another strong, independent runner. Ma'am, welcome to Pangantukan, ma'am. Where you from, ma'am?
Cebu.
Cebu. Ma'am, layuan ka naman. What can you say about Pangantukan, ma'am?
It's a wow.
It's a wow.
Yeah.
Amazing. Thank you, ma'am. God bless. Sir, welcome to Pangantukan, sir. Say hi to my vlog. Where you from, sir? Balay. What can you say about the place, sir?
Kada kayo,
Kada
hangin,
kayo.
ayos kayo.
Imong kalo, sir, mo lang. Kapabaligyan sapatos, sir, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Balay. Welcome to Pangantukan, sir. Say hi to pila ka kay Milan, 32. Where you from, sir? Balay. Amping, sir. Dola lang kayo, sir. Pwede pa tawapin si Binlubin, sir. Palit Pukari. Welcome to Pangantukan, sir. Say hi to my vlog. What can you say about the place, sir? Pwede, kuya. Ikaw ba, what can you say about the place?
Ano, pero
Good sa ma'am.
good sa lang.
Amping, sir. Salamat yun, sir. Doon lang kayo, 1 kilometer na lang. Sir, welcome to Pangantukan. What can you say about this place, sir? Guba. Amping, sir. Doon lang kayo, sir. Sir, welcome to Pangantukan, sir. Say to my vlog. What can you say about this place, sir? Speechless. Piti. Kumusta itong mga view dito, sir? Sa mga lake, sa mga... Sa dito, babaw. Okay kayo. Balik pa kasunod, sir. Buhon. First time naman, sir?
Oo.
Nice kayo, sir. Balik po, sir. Amping, sir. Doon lang kayo, sir. 1 kilometer na lang. Ilang ka kayo, sir? 32. So, what can you say about this place, sir?
Grabe
Speechless.
Init.
Init. Pero good sa, sir. Amping, sir. Doon lang kayo, sir. Amping, kanunay. Nanabaw tayo, another lady runner. So, daghan nagitag mga lady runner, no? So, ma'am, what can you say about this place, ma'am? Amazing? Where you from, ma'am? Davao. So, layo yun. So, salamat sa pag-ani, ma'am. God bless. Thank you. Yes, thank you, ma'am. So, welcome to Pangantukan. What can you say about the place?
It's very nice, very beautiful. The lake.
The lake?
Amazing.
Where you from? Davao Occidental. Hi, sir. Hey, gidagan, sir. Pila ka kay? 32. Congratulations, sir. Hi, sir. Welcome to Pangantukan, sir. Welcome to Pangantukan, sir. Congratulations, sir. 55. So, we have another 2 runners, no? Si ma'am and si sir. So, welcome to Pangantukan, sir. Say hi to ma'am. Where are you from, ma'am?
Manuman, Sarangani.
Sarangani. What can you say about the place, ma'am? Amazing. All good. Thank you and God bless. Where are you from, sir? Davao. So, sir, what can you say about the place?
No good.
Balik-balik, sir. Yes, sir. Ilang ang sir? 32. Wow. Congratulations, sir. Happy, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Doon lang kayo, sir. We have another lady runner, no? Ma'am. So, welcome to Pangantukan, ma'am. Say hi to my vlog. So, pila ka kayo yung gidagan, ma'am? Pila ka kayo? 32. Pila mo rin. Blooming yan po kayo ka, ma'am. Isang 32. Ma'am, what can you say about the place? Sobrang init. Thank you, ma'am. God bless. Blooming yan po kayo si ma'am. Bisag 32K gidagan. Amazing. So, welcome to Pangantukan, sir. Say hi to my vlog. So, pila ka kayo gidagan, sir? 32. What can you say about the place, sir?
It's very
Amazing. Tanga lugar gikan, sir? Balay. Oy, Bukidnon na rin taan day. So, taga Balay, sir. God bless, sir. 55. Congratulations, sir. Amping, sir. Kanunay. What can you say about the place, sir? Buknog. Tanga lugar gikan, sir? Davao City. Salamat sa pagani, sir. Kita-kits soon, sir. So, where you from, sir? Davao. What can you say about the place? Good. Thank you, sir. Amping, sir. Dola lang kayo. Where you from? Davao. So, welcome to Pangantukan, sir. Where you from, sir? Davao, Quiapo. What can you say about the place? Very good. Very hot. Normal lang yun, sir. So, we have another runner up po, si sir. So, sir, where you from, sir? Davao. What can you say about the place?
Good. First time, good.
First time, sir. First time? Pila ka kay, sir? 32. Wow. So, welcome to Pangantukan mga sir. Say hi to my vlog. So, what can you say about the place mga sir? Gabi kainit. And tagikan nga lugar sir? Davao. So, dagaan na lagi na to taga Davao eh. Mga Davawinyo itong mga runners. Hello. Welcome to Pangantukan sir. Say hi to my vlog. So, what can you say about the place sir? Dada. So, amping kayo sir. Amping sir. Dola lang kayo sir. Amping. Mga sir. Say hi to my vlog. So, what can you say about the place sir?
It's nice. Bakit so kapoy?
So, Kapoy. So, where you from sir? Cagayan de Oro. Friends ata sir. Friends ata. Friends kami. What can you say about the place sir? Dada. So, ata ka lugar gikan sir? Balay. Bukid nun magyapon eh. Mamen sir. Gagaw dai. Sorry. Ata gikan mamen sir? Balay. So, bukid nun nagita. Amping tanang kanunay sir. Dola lang kayo sir. Pwede pa mo mahapit si Binlibid. Palitog Pukari. Welcome to Pangantukan sir. Say hi to my vlog. Pila ka kay gidagan sir? Dito. What can you say about the place sir? Okay, pitik. Salamat sir. Amping. So what can you say about the place sir? What can you say about the place?
Pitik.
Ata gikan nga lugar sir? Magadian layo pa kay nila sir. Come to Pangantukan mga sir and ma'am. So what can you say about the place? Ata gikan nga lugar mga sir? Tagum. So layo gis sir Tagum. Carmen. Welcome to Pangantukan mga sir. Where you from sir? Davao. What can you say about the place? So beautiful. Thank you sir. Good noon mga ma'am and sir. So atagikan mga ma'am and sir. Davao. What can you say about the place?
Init kaayo.
Your comments, your suggestions. Nothing? Speechless. Thank you. Pangantukan sir. Say hi to my vlog. Pila ka kay sir? 85. Sayo ba kay si sir bay? Sugod silag 12 ba? Nanang 85 oh. First bay. Oh, murag wagin dagdagan. Grabe ka power. 85 kilometers. Sayo pa kayo bay. Unto pa naabot. Grabe ka power bay. So where you from sir? Davao. So what can you say about the place sir?
Nice, very nice.
Thank you sir. Amping sir. God bless. Where you from sir? Davao. So what can you say about this place sir?
Sakit papanakit.
Sakit papanakit. Thank you sir. Amping. Dapat tayo natin runner sir. Where you from sir? Butuan. So what can you say about the place sir? Okay na po. Thank you sir. Pila ka kayo magidagan sir? Pang power kayo sir. So welcome to Pangantukan ma'am. Say hi to my vlog. So ma'am, what can you say about the place? No kayo. So thank you ma'am. Thank you. Pwede ka mangapi ma'am. Good afternoon sir. So what can you say about the place sir?
Indot kayo.
Kami
balikan.
Tagata nga lugar gikan sir?
Malay.
Malay. So bukid na si sir no. So balik sir. Amping sir. God bless. Say hi to my vlog. Where are you from sir? Valencia. So what can you say about the place sir? Good. Thank you sir. Thank you sir. Dola lang sir. Pwede pa kahapit si Binlibid sir. Palitog Pukari. Ikaw first sa 55 ma'am? Sa lady? Dola ma'am. 2 kilometers ma'am.
2 kilometer.
Dola lang kayo na ma'am. Ma'am, what can you say about the place?
Ang ganda.
Ang ganda po. Saan ka po galing na lugar ma'am? Jensen. Ma'am, nice to meet you po. BJ Bilong po.
Thank you.
Thank you ma'am. Dola lang kayo ma'am. Say hi to my vlog. Where are you from sir? Cagayan de Oro. What can you say about the place sir? First time din sir, first time.
Wala man sir, first time.
First time to trail. First time to trail. Thank you sir.
Doon na ba?
2 kilometers na lang sir. Kumaya lang sir. Thank you sir, God bless sir. Kinsa ba na? Nana po tayo representing Pangantukan bay, Kuya Kukong bay. Sir, kasi malipad kas Pangantukan sir ha. Pagbantay. What can you say about Pangantukan? Diyan lang sir, subay lang sa dalan, dulo lang kita. Ma'am, good afternoon. What can you say about the place ma'am? Nice sir, good afternoon.
Gwapo yung lugar ba?
Gwapo, mga tao po.
Samot na mga nanagan nga.
Lagi. Congrats ya, congrats. So, 2 kilometers. So, where you from sir? Taguluan. So, dapat rin sir. What can you say about this place sir?
Very good.
Very good. Thank you, sir. Thank you. So, welcome to Pangantukan, ma'am. Say hi to my vlog. So, what can you say about the place, ma'am? Nice. So, ata nga lugar gikan, ma'am?
Surigao
sorry. First time mo diri karon, ma'am?
Oo.
Thank you sa pagbisita, ma'am. See you sa 2026, ma'am. Thank you. So, welcome to Pangantukan, sir. Say hi to my vlog. So, where are you from, sir? Davao rin si sir. So, what can you say about the place, sir?
Kapoy.
Kapoy. And God bless, sir. Doon lang, sir. Amping, sir. Doon lang, sir. 2 kilometers lang, sir. Welcome to Pangantukan, ma'am. Say hi to my vlog. So, where are you from, ma'am? Atang lugar gikan? Davao. So, what can you say about this place, ma'am? Nice. And
Super init.
ilang 32k ka, ma'am. Wow. So, God bless, ma'am. Doon lang kay ma'am. Amping. So, power guys, ma'am. So, welcome to Pangantukan. Where are you from, sir? Sarangani. So, what can you say about this place, sir?
Sabi ka init.
Gabi guys. So, paano kayo? Good ka, sir? Salingan mo kata. Thank you, sir. Salamat, sir. God bless. Doon lang kayo, sir. Afternoon. Welcome to Pangantukan, sir. Where are you from, sir? Surigao. Sir, what can you say about this place?
Very peaceful.
Very peaceful. Thank you, sir. So, pila ka kayo bilagan, sir? 32. So, congrats sa mga, sir. Doon lang kayo. 2 kilometers lang, sir. Amping, sir. Thank you. Sir, power kasi, sir. Mura nagwala siya, habay. So, sir, where are you from, sir?
Siargao.
Siargao? Wow! So, sir, what can you say about this place?
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Thank you, sir. Amping, sir. So, welcome to Pangantukan, ma'am and sir. Say hi to my vlog. So, where are you from, ma'am?
Carmen, Davao del Norte.
Carmen, Davao. What can you say about this place? Init kayo. So, thank you, ma'am. God bless. Doon na lang kayo. Congrats. So, power again sa babae na to. 32 kilometers. So, ma'am, where are you from, ma'am? Carmen, Davao del Norte. Ma'am, what can you say about this place? Speechless. So, doon lang kayo, ma'am. Congrats, ma'am. Doon lang kayo, ma'am. 2 kilometers lang, ma'am. Amping, ma'am. God bless. Pangantukan, sir. Say hi to my vlog. Sir, what can you say about the place, sir? Nindot. Tagikan nga lugar, sir.
Malay-malay.
Malay-balay. So, bukid nun. Magyapon, sir. No? Amping, sir. Doon lang, sir.
Kapila na si Glabay direk.
Sige. Agi. First time lang nag-trail, sir. Thank you, sir. So, where are you from, sir? Tribuna. Pumawag yan. 55, sir. Congrats, sir. Doon lang kayo, sir. Congrats. Where are you from, sir? Davao. So, what can you say about this place, sir? Nice. Nice. So, thank you, sir. Sir, so where are you from, sir? Malay-balay. So, what can you say about this place, sir? Doon lang, sir. God bless sa iyo, sir. Congrats in advance. Thank you. DJ Pilongko. 5K. So, where are you from, sir? Davao. Davao. Sir, what can you say about this place?
No.
No. Thank you, sir. Thank you. God bless. Doon lang kayo. Good afternoon. So, sir, what can you say about the place?
It's very wonderful. Salamat kayo sa pag-invite. Salamat kayo, NDTU, experience. Salamat.
Thank you, sir. So, good afternoon, ma'am. So, where are you from, ma'am?
From Cebu.
So, what can you say about the place, ma'am?
Very chaday.
Thank you, ma'am. So, good afternoon, ma'am. So, what can you say about the place, ma'am?
Very sulit. Paano kayo? Lovely.
Atang lugar gikan, ma'am.
Cagayan de Oro.
So, sa Cagayan, ma'am. So, thank you sa pag-visit, ma'am. Doon na lang, ma'am. God bless. So, welcome to my vlog. So, pila ka kayo gidagan, sir? 32. So, congratulations, sir. Amping. Doon lagi kayo, sir. So, welcome to Pangantukan, sir. Say hi to my vlog. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, kung saan na po yung maingon karon nga year, sir?
Magyapon.
Magyapon. So, amping mami, sir. Thank you. What can you say about this place, sir?
Very beautiful.
Wow, thank you, sir. So, taga-ata nga lugar gikan, sir? Malay-balay. What can you say about the place?
Patinita. Bro, itik yung ruta.
Thank you, sir. What can you say, ma'am?
Dalani sa ruta.
Thank you. Balik-balik, ma'am. Doon lang, ma'am. So, welcome to Pangantukan, sir. Pila ka kayo gidagan, sir? Wow, congratulations, sir. Doon lang kayo, sir. Congrats.
Salamat, sir.
Congrats. So, congrats, sir. What can you say about the place, sir?
Grabe. Anong init gapon pero okay naman dadara.
Thank you, sir. God bless. Doon lang, sir. Thank you, sir. So, welcome to Pangantukan, mga ma'am. Say hi to my vlog. So, what can you say about the place, ma'am? Goods lang, ma'am. Goods lang.
Just there.
Thank you, ma'am. Amping, ma'am. Dola lang kita, ma'am. So, what can you say about the place, ma'am? Thank you, ma'am. Amping, dola kayo, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Say hi to my vlog. So what can you say about the place? Okay lang. So atang lugar gikan mga ma'am and sir.
Sarangani.
Sarangani. So thank you kayo sa pagani. Thank you. Say hi to my vlog. So what can you say about the place, sir? Thank you, sir. Taga-atang lugar gikan, sir. Davao. Thank you, sir. Amping, sir. So good afternoon, sir. So what can you say about the place, sir? Good. Atang lugar gikan, sir. Tagum. Thank you sa pagani, sir. Where are you from, sir? Davao. So sir, what can you say about the place?
Nice view.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. My vlog, what can you say about the place? Very good.
Relaxing.
Atang lugar gikan, ma'am and sir? Davao. Davao. Thank you. And God bless. Doon lang kaita. What can you say about the place, sir?
So good.
Thank you, sir. Where are you from, sir?
Davao.
Thank you, sir. Amping. Doon lang kaita, sir. So, sir, say hi to my vlog. Sir, what can you say about the place, sir?
Tayo, inyong lugar.
Ikaw, ma'am, what can you say about the place?
Grabe kainit.
Grabe kayo.
Di man ni Pinas.
So, doon lang kita, ma'am, no? Amping, ma'am. And God bless sa inyo, ha. Thank you. So, what can you say about the place, sir? Good. Atang ang lugar gikan, sir? Atang ang lugar gikan?
Davao, Davao.
Davao. What can you say about the place, sir? Thank you, sir. Davao yapon, sir. Thank you. So, sir, what can you say about the place? Sir, tagatang ang lugar gikan, sir?
Salamat.
Salamat, sir. Medyo kapoy na kayo, sir, no? Ato lang yun lang i-subtle. What can you say about the place, ma'am and sir? Atang ang lugar gikan?
Sarangani po.
Sarangani. Salamat na. Doon lang yung kaita. Mga 2 kilometers na lang. Thank you. Tapos si Idol Taxki. Pang, namitig ko dito.
Taja. Trinity ko ngayon
So, welcome to Pangantukan, ma'am. Say hi to my vlog. So, what can you say about the place, ma'am? Dada.
Apa kayo?
Atang ang lugar gikan, ma'am.
Davao. Init.
So, thank you, ma'am. Amping, ma'am. Doon lang kayo, ma'am. Thank you. Okay, sir.
Kapoy, manday. Init na kaya dire, oy.
Atang ang lugar gikan, sir.
Balay-balay.
Malay sa taga-bukid na taga-bukid, sir. Amping, sir. Amping. So, welcome to Pangantukan, sir. Say hi to my vlog. So, what can you say about the place, sir?
Grabe.
Thank you, sir. Congrats, sir. Doon lang kayo. Dara po tayo, another representative sa Pangantukan, no? 55K na yung gi-ana. This is Gilbert Apa-Ap. Larga B-boy na siya. What can you say about your run today?
Makaya ba? Abot og 3,600 elevation ang ginagan.
Power kayo ba? Ikaw, si Kwan, katong isa ka 55.
Wala pa eh, wala
Wala
na
pa?
nakita. Magabingan yun ito.
Pang.
Shout out sa mga taga Cagayan de Oro College. Mga mechanical engineering.
Pag nursing.
Nursing na yun.
Mga busing.
Bye-bye.
So, muna si Boss B-boy, Apa-Ap. Representing Pangantukan. Hello, sir. Welcome to Pangantukan, sir. Pila ka K ginagan, sir? Pila ka K? 55? Amping, sir. Amping, sir. What can you say about Pangantukan, sir? Nice. So, welcome to Pangantukan, sir. Say hi to my vlog, sir. So, what can you say about Pangantukan, sir? Ayos kayo. Salamat, sir. Amping, sir. My vlog. So, what can you say about Pangantukan, sir? Okay na. Thank you, sir. Amping, sir. Doon lang ito, sir. Okay. Welcome to Pangantukan. Kumusta, sir? What can you say about the place, sir?
Kapoy!
Lah, Idol. Nakita sa Idol, sa vlog ni Idol Al. So, what can you say about the place, sir? Tomorrow ito, paano, sige na ito kakita sa vlog ni Al Moraldi, day. Mga ito siya, day. Power kito. So, welcome to Pangantukan, sir. Say hi to my vlog. So, what can you say about Pangantukan, sir? Amazing. Thank you, sir. Amping, doon lang kayo, sir. Welcome to Pangantukan, ma'am. Say hi to my vlog. So, what can you say about the place, ma'am?
Okay lang.
Okay lang. So, atang ang lugar gikan, ma'am?
Davao.
Davao. So, congrats, ma'am. Doon lang kayo, ma'am. Amping. Straight lang, ma'am. Sa highway lang, ma'am. 2 kilometers na lang. So, say hi to my vlog. So, what can you say about the place, ma'am? Nice. So, atang ang lugar gikan, ma'am? Lugar ni Monjo.
Ay, Kalinan.
Kalinan. So, layo-layo. Pagkita si ma'am. No? Amping, ma'am. Doon lang kayo, ma'am. Ma'am, good afternoon, ma'am. What can you say about the place, ma'am?
I've been here last year.
Last year? So, this is your second time?
Yeah, second time.
So, na-interview ta katong lang.
Wala, kailangan mong interview. Ako tayo po sa
Ayay, saya nga. Pero karon na, apil na dito, ma'am.
Yes. Sa Bukidnon, gani the best.
Nice to meet you, ma'am.
Okay.
Amping, ma'am. Doon lagi kayo, ma'am. Promise. Ay, kabalo naman ka. Ma'am. Eagle City. What can you say about the place? Very easy. Sir, what can you... Ulang ka na, sir. Grabe. Multi-time. Maingon mo sa lugar na to, sir. Okay kayo. Amping, sir. Doon lang kayo, sir. Thank you. Dala-dala pag Bicol, no? 85. Grabe. Sir, congratulations, sir. Top 4 ka, sir. Amping, sir. Doon na lang kayo, sir. Turn on, sir. So, what can you say about the place, sir? Hindi kayo. Tama lugar kikan, sir.
Napalit o para
Ay, kayo mong place yun, sir. Like, Davao. So, taga Davao, sir. Salamat sa pagkani, sir. Balik-balik po, sir. Thank you. What can you say about the place, sir? Ayo. So, taga lugar, sir. Davao. So, acting, sir. Dol-dol lagi na, sir.
Dol na good po sa
Thank you. Congrats, sir. Congrats. So, good afternoon, ma'am. So, welcome to my vlog. So, welcome to Pangantukan, ma'am. What can you say about the place, ma'am? Very nice. Very hot. Thank you, ma'am. Amping, ma'am. Doon lagi kayo, ma'am. Sir, welcome to Pangantukan. So, what can you say about the place, sir? Good shit. Good shit, good shit. Kalugar kikan, sir.
Ligan.
Sir, what can you say about the place, sir? At gikan na lugar, sir.
Village.
Oh, thank you, sir. Amping, sir. Doon lang ito. So, welcome to Pangantukan, sir. Pila ka kigidagan na to, sir? 85 power kay si Zero. Hayag pa kiniabot, oh.
51 years old.
Taga-ahat, tagikan, sir. Zamboanga City. Congrats, sir. Congrats. Okay lang yan, sir. Lakas mo pa din. Power mo, sir. Say hi to my vlog, sir. Where are you from, sir? Davao. So, pila ka kayo magidagan? 55. What can you say about Pangantukan, sir?
Okay kayo.
Okay kayo. Nice, sir.
Nang kalatungan.
Salamat, sir. Salamat, sir. Congrats, Dan.
Pero may kang leader rider ha.
Good afternoon, ma'am. So, welcome to Pangantukan. So, what can you say about Pangantukan, ma'am? Kapoy. So, atagi ka na lugar, ma'am? Davao. So, congrats, Dan, ma'am. Thank you. Sir. So, welcome to Pangantukan, sir. What can you say about Pangantukan, sir? Good kayo. Atang lugar gikan, sir? Nabunturan. So, amping, sir. Good luck, sir. Pila ka kigidagan, sir? 85. Top 7, 8. 7 si Sir Bay. Grabe, pawiran ni Sir Jod. Welcome to Pangantukan. Kumusta, sir? Medyo kapoy na, sir. So, taga-atang lugar, sir? Atang lugar. Davao. So, what can you say about this place, sir? First time din, sir?
Dili, nag-agi ko din pakagayan.
Pakagayan. Pero nag-trail, first time mo din, sir. So, congrats, sir. Congrats.
Ato mo dire.
Congrats, sir. Thank you. Doon lang, sir. 2 kilometers na lang. Hi, sir! Hi, sir! Ito, Pangantukan, sir. Dahil ito my vlog. Pila ka kayo, sir? 85. Top 8, sir. Top 8. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Congrats, sir. Congrats. Top 8 si Sir Bay. 85 kilometers. Sir, doon lang kayo, sir. So, what can you say about Pangantukan, sir?
Wow.
Amazing.
Amazing.
Thank
Kapoy
you, sir.
kayo.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Okay,
you.
daragin ako yung lahat isa sa Pangantukan represent. Busing. Naunahan dyan kami, boy, kamay.
Patay.
Amping Diaz, Pangantukan, mawala ka doon. Go, Amping. Congratulations. We have another runners, no? Si Ma'am and si Sir. So, welcome to Pangantukan and
Divide.
parang, what can you say about the place? Good team.
Team
Pagong. Team
Pago.
Pagong. So, sir, mo gikan yung lugar, sir?
Yes.
Cagayan de Oro. So, taga Cagayan sila, sir. Familiars. Orang familiars. So, from Maramag, sir, sakto. Kuya ni Ma'am Jessa. So, shout out si sir. So, kansero, Centilla, sir, no? So, shout out sila, Maramag, Bukidnon. So, ate ito siya, ay kuya siya ni Ma'am Jessa. So, sir, where are you from, sir? Ingoog, layo-layo. Sir, what can you say about this place, sir? Good. First time, sir?
Ano dapat? First time pero mag-fly.
So, amping, sir. Amping, sir. Dora, sir. Thank you. So, pila ka kayo gidagan, sir? Ay, familiar. Kau ba mo, boss? B-boy, boss? Ala, familiar. So, welcome to Pangantukan, sir. What can you say about this place, sir?
Lamay kang ruta,
Kami kayo.
makabitong kabot sa naong.
Lamat, sir. Amping, sir. Amping, sir. Dora lang, sir. Welcome to Pangantukan, sir. Say hi to my vlog. Pila ka kayo gidagan, sir? 55 power kasi, sir. Oh. Welcome to Pangantukan. What can you say about the place, sir?
Okay lang.
Okay lang. So, see you, sir. sa 2026, sir. Welcome to Pangantukan, sir. Saya ito may vlog. Pila ka kay gidagan, sir? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Salamat. Pila ka kay gidagan, sir? Salamat, sir. Larga, congratulations. Bukan, sir. Saya ito may vlog. Pila ka kay gidagan, sir? 55. So, atag ikan nga lugar, sir? Adigos. Congratulations, sir. Good, no? So, welcome to Pangantukan, ma'am. Saya ito may vlog. So, pila ka kay gidagan, ma'am? 55. Wow. So, what can you say about the place, ma'am? Amat ang lugar gikan, ma'am? Good one. So, layo-layo yun si ma'am, no? Amping, ma'am, and God bless. Dola lang, ma'am. Sa ito mga vlog. Hala, murag top 8, sir. Top 9. Murag top 8 ka, sir. 85. Congrats, sir. Congrats. Power kayo. Tang-tang-tang. Tukan, sir. Sa ito mga vlog. So, pila ka kay gidagan, sir? Pila ka kay? Murag naka sa top 9 or top 10, sir. Congratulations, sir. Gikan nga lugar, sir?
South Cotabato.
South Cotabato. Salamat sa pag-ani, sir. BJ Filongco. Thank you, sir. So, may vlog atag ikan na lugar, sir. South Cotabato. So, what can you say about the place, sir?
Nice.
Nice.
Nice ang place. Wala akong sabi, pero yung race, the race route, very grueling race. I tried from Barcam
So, here.
to here. Kay, panaugan din ko, lakad lang, lapit na lang.
There, sir. Good luck, sir. And congratulations, sir. 2 kilometers, sir. Thank you. So, nalabot tayo mga runners, no? So, nag-drip ang isa po sa nag-represent sa Pangantukan. So, where are you from, sir? Balay. Kani, din na yung pakutan na. Malipat ka, Pangantukan. Sir, aging ka, sir.
Porchak ko, bawi.
Malipat ka, sir, ha? So, mga 85 runners, sir. Nasa mga top 11, top 12, top 13. Welcome to Pangantukan, sir. Sa ito may vlog. Pila ka kay gidagan, sir? Atag ikan nga lugar, sir? Kamigin. Layo bagay si sir, no? Kamigin bagay si sir. Sir, welcome to Pangantukan. So, welcome to Pangantukan, sir. Sa ito may vlog. Pila ka kay gidagan, sir? 55. So, atag ikan nga lugar, sir? Atag ikan nga lugar? Manila. Alang layo pala, sir. Hello, mga sir. Welcome to Pangantukan, mga sir. Say hi to my vlog. Pila ka kay gidagan, sir? 55. Congratulations, mga sir. Tukan, mga sir. So, what can you say about the place, mga sir? What can you say about the place?
Sakit ka lamig.
Sakit galami. Mawagin ang mga answer, oh. Congrats, mga sir. So, 55 kilometers si sir. Sir, unsa naman itong kahimtang, sir? Kumusta? Okay ra. Kumusta ang lugar, sir? Dola, 2 kilometers lang, sir. What can you say about the place, sir? First time, sir. First time.
Kadawa na ako.
Kadua. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Amping, sir. 2 kilometers na lang. No? So, mayong hapon, sir. Where you from, sir? Alubihit. So, what can you say about the Pangantukan, sir?
Freaking awesome, man.
Awesome. Thank you, sir. See you soon. So, welcome to Pangantukan. What can you say about Pangantukan, sir? 85 by Murag lakas top 15, sir. Duda ko. Thank you. So, good afternoon, sir. Welcome to Pangantukan. What can you say about the place, sir? Taboy. So, amping, sir. Dola lang kayo, sir. Congratulations. Welcome to Pangantukan. What can you say about Pangantukan, sir? Ata ka nila ka?
Bunal, Pangantukan.
Pata kayo lang, pero sir, taga Pangantukan. Germany? Oh man. Oh man. We have another runner here. Sir, good afternoon. Can I film you, sir? Can I film you? Oh. Sir, I have a question. Where are you from? Germany. What can you say about the place? Very well. Thank you, sir. God bless you. 2 kilometers away. Ito my vlog. So what can you say? Hindi kayo. First time, sir?
First time.
So, thank you, sir. God bless. Size naman good hapit. So, ayan sa namong video. So, mara to. Salamat sa pagtanaw. O madungagan pa niya siguro. Ato ko sa gym. So, what problema. So, salamat sa pagtanaw. God bless. Congrats to all runners. Thank you.